Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk to you about Microsoft Office, some changes that are coming your way. That would be the suite of tools that you use all the time for Word and Excel and that whole grouping. So it used to be that anytime you ordered a computer, you ordered a copy of Office, several $100s, and you had to buy that license so that you could install it on that computer. A lot of that is changing. So I have a couple things to share with you about what Microsoft is doing differently now, and I think you're going to like a lot of the changes. So the first one you're not going to like. It is a subscription service. Many of you don't like that. You don't like that monthly recurring fee, but I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it, and I think that in the end you might be happy with it. So the very first thing I want to share with you is Office is available as a subscription, a monthly recurring fee, and you can be up on that current version. And here's the best part. You can install it on up to 5 devices. That one license, as long as it's yours and you're logging in, can be on both your laptop and your workstation, and maybe a tablet if you have one, up to 5 devices. That's going to save you money right there. The next one I wanted to share with you is from any computer, you can access office.com through a web browser. No matter what version is installed on there, you log in with your credentials and your files will be there, and the version that you have been using all along will be available to you. Also, you can turn off subscriptions when you don't need that. Maybe your staff is reduced in the winter months and you don't have as many people. You can turn off those subscription licenses and save yourself some money. When you ramp back up and you need more people, instead of forking out several $100s for each and every Office license, you turn on the subscription and the monthly fee comes in. So one of the things you can do to add the value here is implement OneDrive, similar to kind of My Documents, but it's part of the Microsoft 365 package, making those documents available wherever you might be. So now when you change computers or you temporarily have one while yours is being fixed, all your documents are available to you with your license subscription. Lastly, I want to talk about buying it. So you can buy Office as a subscription a la carte. So that's the only thing you're buying. If you're not using Exchange, Microsoft Exchange 365 email, maybe you're using Google or something like that, that might be the best way to go. But if you're using Teams, if you're using Exchange email, you want to look at the business packages. It's much more cost efficient, and you can scale that up to other services that you might need. So those would be the places to look for the pricing and such. This could feel a little complicated. It's actually pretty straightforward, and we'd be more than happy to give you a nice little layout so you can see what's included with what. But definitely you want to check out the subscription rather than buying these Offices licenses outright. And I think at some point in time, those are going to be harder and harder to buy anyway. So thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.